Hello friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Google Shopping on your Windows 11 PC. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So once you head over to google.com guys, and once you head over to google.com, you want to click the Google application on the uppermost right hand side. Then scroll down to where you find shopping. You want to click on that. Now, once this opens up the Google Shopping, you want to go ahead and look in the search or the address field here. And if you look towards the right hand side, just beside the bookmark, you will see an install application. And if you hover over it, it's like a screen with a down arrow. It says install Google Shopping. You can click on that and then click install the Google Shopping. Another way you can easily do it, if you click the three dots on the upper right hand side and go down to where you have save and share, you will see where it says install Google Shopping. You can click on that and simply click on install, and this will install Google Shopping as an application here. And as you can see, I can even go ahead and close that out. And if you look on my screen to the upper left hand side, you see I have the Google Shopping application. I can double click and open the app, and here I have the Google Shopping. Another thing is that if you want to uninstall it and to show that it's an app, you can simply click the three dots here and you can uninstall it. Here you can also search your computer as well, and you will find the Google Shopping. So I can simply go ahead and I can type shopping, and as you can see, I find Google Shopping app. So you can open it, and if you want to uninstall it, just simply click three dots and click uninstall Google Shopping, then remove, and it will uninstall the application. And that's how you can easily go ahead and install Google Shopping app on your Windows 11 PC. And here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.